What is an add-on in a Google app? An add-on is an extra utility and is added to a Google app, which adds functionality to the app. It is a third-party plugin that serves a specific purpose for the user, and there are a large number of add-ons which could be added to each Google app. And although it can sometimes feel overwhelming to sift through what's available, it is definitely worth the search. Each Google app that I will be showing you has an easy way to access the menu where you can access an add-on that you have already installed, as well as search for an add-on to install. In Google Docs, you can navigate under the Add-ons menu. The top of the menu will show you any add-ons you currently have installed, and if you're looking to find new ones to enhance the functionality of the app, you can choose Get Add-ons at the bottom of the menu, which will take you to a window with a search function. You can click the drop-down menu and change the setting All to a particular category, such as education or productivity. You can use the box at the top to enter search terms to find an appropriate add-on for your needs. If you find one you'd like to use, click the plus button to add it to that app. For example, if I search for clip art, I find Easy Clip Art. If I'd like to add that, I click the button. Be sure to note any permissions that add-on requires in order to be able to run with your app before choosing the Allow command. Once installed, your new add-on can be accessed by simply clicking under the Add-ons menu and choosing from the list. In Google Slides, the method is the same. We use the Add-ons menu. You can see any currently installed add-ons at the top. We have Get Add-ons at the bottom, as well as Manage Add-ons. Manage Add-ons in each Google app allows you to remove any add-ons that you no longer wish to have within the app. In Google Sheets, we again have the same method. We'll use the Add-ons menu to manage any currently installed add-ons, as well as to find any add-ons currently available. You can filter by category. You can also use the search box, just like you can in Google Docs or in Google Slides. Google Forms is slightly different. We're going to use the More button. That's the one with the 3 dots, the More menu. When we click on that, we can choose add-ons. That will allow us again to see any currently installed add-ons, as well as to be able to search for and add any functionality to that app that we choose.